Tangerines in snow, a dessert as light as fluff, exceptionally attractive in appearance and incredibly easy to make. Start by preparing a plastic bottle. Cut off the top, but make sure the size matches the tangerines. Next, peel 4 tangerines, removing the white pith. Then, prepare a milk base that will visually serve as the snow. Pour 20 grams of gelatin with warm water and let it sit for 15 minutes to cool. After that, add 400 milliliters of heavy cream and 50 grams of powdered sugar to the gelatin mixture. Stir all the ingredients well until the mixture is smooth. Pour it into a jug for easier pouring. Now, thread the peeled tangerines onto a long skewer and place them into the bottle. Pour the milk mixture over the tangerines, securing the skewer. Place the filled bottle in the fridge for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight. Once the mixture has set, cut open the bottle and remove the dessert. Remove the skewer and slice the dessert. This simple and impressive combination of milk and tangerines will delight both in taste and appearance. You'll love every bite.